Hi, this is Kendra with WTI. This is Smith Mays snowboarding helmet with the MIPS system. This is the French navy color, which is really beautiful. As you can see, it's got the ventilation here at the front and also at the rear. It's a really low profile helmet, so it looks really good out on the slopes. Another nice thing is that it's very, very comfortable inside. You can see it's got this really nice, like cushiony, like almost like a velour. It's got three adjustable settings here that you can adjust this to fit snugly on your head. It also has this nice little band here that keeps it nice and snug as well. The MIPS system is really nice because it reduces the chance of a concussion because it actually spreads the impact all the way around the helmet instead of just in the one spot. So that makes it a really safe helmet. It also has this little goggle snap here that you can adjust. You put your goggles in right here. And it also has this little visor lip here so that your goggles don't fall down. This has been a really awesome helmet, and that's our point of view.